Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Digital Marathon, DigiThon, a series of videos where we are going to ask you 42 challenges, and we already had asked you 33 challenges in the past. And in this video, we are going to discuss our 34th challenge. And I'm really impressed with your energy and enthusiasm while participating in this video series and making it a grand success. Now without wasting much time, let us get started and see our next challenge. Friends, the challenge is very simple. Here you have to tell me what is the difference between a truth table, a characteristic table, and an excitation table. These are very common terms used in digital electronics, and these terms are used by digital designers in common. Those who knows its answer, please write it down in the comment section, and those who does not know its answer, please try to explore online. Otherwise, I am going to reveal these terms in the solution series of DigiThon. You can go through it. I will paste its link in the description section. Friends, I hope that all of you are liking this video series, and if you also like this video, please press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section. And in the future also we are going to create many such videos, so to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for your time and your support.